is Jorge, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Dragon Ball Z shift knob that I just got from my 2006 Civic Si. This is the package it came in, and the shift knob is the Dragon Ball shift knob. Alright, so I hope you guys can see this, but this is the packaging it comes in. It's a lot smaller than what I thought. The pictures make it seem a lot bigger. I remember seeing one of these in person. I just didn't quite remember what they looked like, but I know they were selling them for probably 40 bucks. It's Universal Dragon Ball Z Shift Knob 4-star JDM Rare. Let's see how JDM this shit is. Yeah, this is it. And they have more packaging inside of there, so that's pretty neat. There it is. And I bought this for the one that had the lowest price listed on eBay. It was like $13.95. And if you want to install it, all you gotta do is just loosen the nut that's down here. I have a car in gear. Should probably turn it off. Let's turn this thing off. Alright, she's all ready. Ah, shit. Well, this is fucking weighted down. There's a Skunk 2 shift knob. I love this thing. I just felt like switching it up just a little bit. This is much lighter than that. This is probably like a stock Honda shift knob light. It's a lot lighter than the original shift knob that comes in the Si2. But yeah, I just figured it'll look a little bit different. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.